If a cat is feral, it just means that they're not socialized to humans. I think a lot of people think that to be a feral cat, you have to be a mean cat. A cat who's hissing and baring her teeth at all times. And that simply isn't true. Feral does not mean vicious or even confrontational. In fact, feral cat behavior tends to be avoidant instead of aggressive. Feral cats will actively avoid humans and only become aggressive if cornered, because feral cats are uncomfortable with people. They aren't mean, they're just unsocialized. The antonym for feral is tame. A tame cat is one who's comfortable with human interaction, such as touching or being in a small space with a human, just like your pet cat at home. A feral cat is one who is not tame.